Hey y'all, good to see you here again on Grassroots Gardening. It has been a rainy day today. I think we got like 2.9 inches of rain today, so been kind of stuck inside all day. I figured now would be a good time to show you guys a recent trip to Nashville, Tennessee that we took up to BWI's expo event. So BWI is a company that we buy a lot of gardening stuff from, pottery, fertilizers, soils, you name it. They're really big in the gardening industry. So the show they put on this year was really good. I mean, they just had a tremendous amount of new vendors there, lots of cool products. I'll show you a little bit of that, but mainly what I want to show you guys is this really neat nursery that we stopped in Chattanooga called the Barn Nursery on the way home. And it was huge. I mean, I love garden centers. I mean, that's why I built Grassroots, just because I just love a good garden center. So anytime I have the opportunity to visit other garden centers just to see how they do their displays and just get ideas, I always jump on it. So we saw a big old billboard as we were coming back on the interstate, and Chad was with me, and we said, hey, let's pull in there and check them out. So about 2 hours later, we finally left. But I'm going to show you guys that nursery. If you've ever been there, you know what I'm talking about. And if you hadn't, then well, watch this video and you get to go too. See, I told you, now wasn't that a cool nursery? I mean, the place was ginormous. Parking lot was like Walmart size almost, but everybody was super friendly, very helpful, came and checked on us a million times, and just had a great experience there. So if you're ever in the Chattanooga area, swing by the Barn Nursery. You won't regret it, and I appreciate you guys hanging out with me on this rainy day. The more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video, y'all.